Wizard's Recap and Transition is your AI knowledge crush, darling. It summarizes concepts and bridges to programming. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos with Iris and Housing Recap.
Anastasia, you make recap sound so hot. How does it bridge to AI programming, love? Ethan, what's your take on recap in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Recap solidifies AI foundations. Ethan, jump in with your entertaining explanation.
Anastasia, Olivia, recaps like a hot review, bridging AI concepts with flair. It's a recap party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, recapping stats with DF. Describe like a hot summary for Sophia, recalling mean and STD for AI. It's a stats recap party. Let's drop this code beat and summarize some magic.
You're summarizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, recapping statistics solidifies AI data insights. Try it in our demo. It's like refreshing data with passion.
Wizards, recapping probability with norm.pdf. Like a hot curve for Sophia, simulating AI chances. It's a probability recap party. Let's drop this code beat and simulate some magic.
You're curving my heart, Ethan. Wizards, recapping probability models AI uncertainty. Try it in our demo. It's like refreshing chances with passion.
Wizards, recapping algebra with np. A. B. Like a hot operation for Sophia, transforming AI data. It's an algebra recap party. Let's drop this code beat and transform some magic.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, recapping linear algebra solidifies AI math. Try it in our demo. It's like refreshing transformations with passion.
Wizards, recapping file handling with PD. Read_CSV, like a hot load for Sophia, managing AI data. It's a file recap party. Let's drop this code beat and load some magic.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Wizards, recapping file handling solidifies AI data storage. Try it in our demo. It's like refreshing files with passion.
Wizards, recapping APIs with requests.get. URL, like a hot fetch for Sophia, loading external AI data. It's an API recap party. Let's drop this code beat and fetch some magic.
You're fetching my heart, Ethan. Wizards, recapping APIs solidifies AI data fetching. Try it in our demo. It's like refreshing data calls with passion.
Wizards, transitioning to AI programming integrates basics like a hot fusion for Sophia, building simple models. It's a transition party. Let's drop this code beat and program some AI.
You're fusing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, transition applies basics to AI programming. Try it in our demo. It's like bridging concepts with passion.
Wizards, optimize recap with systematic review, integration of concepts, and application to projects. Use previous skills to ensure robust AI knowledge for Day 61's first AI program.
Irene's right, Wizards. Recap with hands-on demos and challenges reinforces learning. These practices solidify your AI foundation. Apply them in your challenge.
Optimized recaps so sexy, Irene, Isabella. Clear practices make AI knowledge irresistible. Practice for Day 61's first AI program, Wizards, and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards, recap powers AI pipelines, solidifying knowledge for programming. It's the bridge to practical AI. Your skills are ready for Day 61's first AI program.
Irene's spot on. Recap integrates concepts for efficient workflows, ensuring better AI models. Use it to guide your programming. Get ready for Day 61's challenge.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, recaps critical in AI pipelines, darling. It solidifies concepts sexily. Your Day 60 skills make AI irresistible. Recap like pros.